Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Hello everybody, welcome to the Swing Trading Show. Today we're Monday, May 25th, 2015. Today it's going to be a show dedicated to your questions. American markets are closed. A lot of European stock exchanges are closed as well. So it's really a call market. So this show is going to be dedicated to your questions. So this is why the question bar is open. If ever you have any questions, feel free to ask them. It will be my pleasure to answer them. If I don't have any questions, well, the show is going to be shorter. Simply because today there's nothing that's really going on in the market. So let me focus on the key news that we had today, what impact it could have, and what have been the stocks that were slightly active today. But we don't think that today, for swing trading as well for day trading, that it's worth it to actually make a trade today when markets are not that volatile at all, mostly the TSX, which is actually open. Now, if you take a look at the news, though, the major news that you should bring to your attention is oil today. Tomorrow, oil could have a solid rebound. Why? Because we had 2 companies today, Cenovus Energy and Canadian Natural Resources. There are some fires that are going on in Alberta right now, and those fires have been classified as out of control. So Cenovus Energy and Canadian Natural Resources had to shut down their operation. This shutdown represents almost 10% of the annual production of oil sands. So we could expect CNQ or CVE to actually go down further tomorrow when American markets will be open. Now for oil, of course, it's going to have a positive impact on oil. Oil could rebound. So let's say those of you who are betting for a rebound on oil, it's purely speculative what you're doing right now. Because I know Canada is one of the major producers, but still, we know that there's still a big supply in the oil market, though, compared to demand. So the fact that there's a shutdown of production, which represents 10% of the global Alberta production, is going to have an impact, but I don't think it's going to create a big surge on oil that much, because we still have overall market where we have too much supply and not enough demand. Another news that I want to bring to your attention, it's about BlackBerry. BlackBerry broke out on Friday, on May 22nd. We put that stock as a breakout on marketgurus.tv that you can have access for free for 10 days. And today the stock is pursuing its rally. They announced that they will make some cuts. They didn't say how many employees will be laid off because they want to make their smartphone divisions become profitable again. We know the technology side is doing pretty well because the way they sell some servers to some corporations, it's doing okay, but their smartphones segment is not doing well, so they announced some layoff, but they didn't put an amount and into which numbers of people that will be laid off. Also, the industrial sector, I want to bring that to your attention, the industrial sector, because it's a sector where we still have a continuity of the sideways formation. CP is confirming again a bottom, CNR as well. So those of you who are eyeing for several days when to buy railway stocks, well, I believe that right now with this sideways formation, it's an opportunity to start to build up slightly, really slightly, your long positions on those railway. The mining sector too will be a sector to be watched because the mining sector, look at this, folks. We are actually testing the 100-day, 50-day moving average. And there's a lot of congestion there, right? So which means that at this point, there might be eventually some bargains on the mining sector. What could there be? Well, there's Labrador Iron Ore, if it goes higher than $17, could confirm a solid breakout. First Quantum, we know they announced a share issuance of $4 billion. So right now the stock is starting to form a stabilization phase. I will not get into it right now, but I think it's a stock that you should watch to see where could it confirm a stabilization phase. Can it remain above $16, in between $17, stay there for 2-3 days, and then confirm another breakout? It could be. However, there's a resistance as that 1863, so that will be a point to start to build up your long positions. And one indicator you could look for is to take a look at the 933 slow stochastics, see if it can be around the 30-40% range. What this will confirm, that the wave of buyers is coming. Look at the volumes as well. If you see an increase in volume, this will also confirm that the wave of buyers is coming also on the stock like that. So First Quantum has to be watched as well. It could confirm a bottom. Major drilling group as well. So a lot of stocks in the mining sector could confirm that, but so far it's not the case. It's only the industrial, mostly railway stocks, that are confirming a bottom more and more as of today.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
So welcome back, folks. So just to tell you here that we have this company here that has, this one here on Venture Index. They bought a company that's called goldmoney.com. Today they just gave more details concerning this offer. So the stock started to trade. Now it's staying neutral. I would not get into a stock right now. What I would suggest you to do is to put a 30-minute 250 period and take a look to see when can the stock break this 650 resistance, and then that will confirm an entry point for day trading. But as of today, I would not get into a stock like that. There will be a presentation tomorrow, so those of you who are interested to join that presentation, I think you can just go to the company website to have more detail. So it's BitGold, XAU, they bought a company, and since then the stock surged. Now, Jules, you mentioned, can you analyze TH? Actually, TH is one of the few breakouts on the TSX. It's actually almost the only one, and it's a great breakout. I think TH today, it's a great entry point. We have volumes that are increasing. We have stochastics that's confirming a higher bottom that have slightly, really a little room to go before we reach the overbought situation. So there's some potential that the stock could pursue its rally. The 10 is above the 30-day moving average. The MACD is also good because the MACD has some room to go before we reach the overbought situation. So those are the good technical indicators. I think if you're buying that stock today, it's a good entry point. However, now those are the risk aspects on that stock. First of all, already surging by 7.35%. So in order to put your stop loss, you'll have to put it below that support at 132. So that makes really a big loss potential for a stock like TH. So there's that first risk aspect that you have to take into account. Second thing, by putting a Fibonacci retracement from that top to that bottom here, we see that we have reached, all this rally have led to the 23.6% retracement from all that decline. So at this point here, even if we're surging today, there's a risk that we might just stay flat, or this breakout might not pursue as strongly. So just by looking at the Fibonacci retracement. So those are the two risk factors I see. First, the fact that the stock is surging by 7.35% and this Fibonacci retracement on a yearly basis. So those are the two risk aspects I see. But if you're buying that stock today, I still think it's a great buying opportunity because of the momentum indicators, because of the moving average, because of the volume. However, you have to make sure that where you're going to put your stop loss, technically speaking, it will be at 132. But if you're comfortable to hold on to a stock that's can lose 8% or more, well, it all depends then on your risk tolerance. But it's a great breakout today. Now, what's my feeling on CST? CST. COD Solutions, for me, it's a stock that's pursuing its upward trend. I think it's a stock you could... I would not trade that stock because I don't like how the stochastics is. It's heading down, so there's still a lot of selling pressure on that stock. But I think I'd like to see the stock, you see the volumes are declining as well. So what I'd like to see maybe the stock stabilizing more, right, and breaking out that 3250. But it's a nice stock. Really, it's one of the best performers in the venture index for the last month, and it's really a nice one. So 3250 will be my entry point on a stock like that. And one last question for Miss Ling Bang. How can I use Market Vision to make money day trading 1 or 2 day holds? Well, Market Vision for day trading, Miss Ling Bang, is not the best software. However, Market Vision allows you to pick up the best opportunities that you should put on Trader Plus. So here's how you do it. So first of all, Miss Ling Bang, let's say your market's going to open. You put scanner function here. You choose winners. Let's say the market's already open. So you put 25,000 as the volume. You choose the market, the TSX, for instance. So on the TSX, you have all those stocks. There's Nico Resources, which is surging by 14.29%. So you have Nico Resources, you spot it, good. Now you're going to Trader Plus. And on Trader Plus, what you do, you put it on a graph. So you can actually build up your chart here on Trader Plus. You put a graph. So you just put the stock of TNKO, Nico Resources. Now you have it, and you can put it on different type of minutes. 1 minute, 5 minutes, depending. So we put it in 5 minutes. Now let's put some indicators. We can put either the RSI or the stochastic slope. Usually the stochastic slope is the one that we use. So let's take a look at this. So what is it showing us? It's showing us that the stochastic slope, that is a wave of buyers who's coming in on Nico Resources. But what would be the great entry point? If Nico Resources goes above 45, because 45 is a resistance. It's a top that we have been unable to break. So if Nico Resources can break 45 cents, that would be the goal. So to answer your question, to summarize it, how can you use Market Vision to make day trading? Market Vision is not great for day trading. It's mostly good for swing trading. However, you can use Market Vision as a tool to get your day trading picks. First of all, scanner function. You pick up the winners, choose the volume, you choose the markets you want to trade on, and you put it on Trader Plus. And on Trader Plus, you have the intraday chart, and you can actually take a look at when will be my entry point on day trading on Trader Plus. So that's actually the strategy that you could use. Those are the tools that you could use to actually be a great day trader. If you're only focusing on swing trading, Miss Ling Bang, I would go with Market Vision only. But for day trading, Market Vision and Trader Plus, you're set up to be a great day trader. Now, folks, this is it for the show. We have any more questions for today? The order of the day, the strategy of the day is to stay on the sideline, watch Cenovus Energy, watch Canadian Natural Resources. We might see those stocks going down further tomorrow, especially with the fire that's going on in Alberta. We might see a slight surge in oil also tomorrow, USO, but This surge, I don't think is going to have a significant impact because there's still too many supply of oil in the world. And overall, folks, in terms of all the other positions that you had earlier, I think it's better to hold on to them today. All markets, the TSX stays neutral. Same thing for the American markets as well. And really, it's a boring market for swing traders nowadays, I know, but you have to stay technical in order to avoid being caught in some false signal. So see you tomorrow on the Swing Trading Show on DecisionPlus.com.